In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a campaign in Mailchimp. Let's start from the very beginning so you know exactly where everything is. First, open Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the Campaigns option in the main menu. Go ahead and click on Campaigns. This is where all of your email campaigns live, including drafts, scheduled emails, and any paused campaigns. Next, find the specific campaign you want to work on. If you have a lot of campaigns, you can use the search bar or filters to narrow it down. But once you see the one you want, look to the right of that campaign. You'll either see a small drop-down arrow or an edit button. Click that drop-down or the edit option to open up the campaign settings. Now you'll be able to change the basic details of your campaign. Look for something labeled Edit Details or Setup. When you click this, you can update important information like the From name, the From email, the subject line, and the preview text. Take your time here because these details are what your subscribers see first in their inbox. Make sure your subject line is clear and compelling and that your preview text supports it instead of repeating the same words. Once the details look good, it's time to edit the content and design of the email itself. Click on Edit Design or Edit Email to open the email builder. In this editor, you'll see a drag and drop interface. You can click on any text block to rewrite or format your copy, swap out images by clicking on them and uploading new files, and add or remove content blocks such as buttons, dividers, or social icons. You can also adjust layouts and styles like fonts, colors, and spacing to keep everything on brand and easy to read. When you've finished your edits, don't skip testing. Click on Preview to see how your email will look on both desktop and mobile. This helps you catch any layout issues, broken links, or awkward line breaks. From there, send yourself a test email and open it on different devices if possible. Once you're happy with everything, click Save and Exit to lock in your changes. Finally, you're ready to either schedule or send your campaign. If you want it to go out later, choose Schedule and set your date and time. If you're ready for it to go out right away, choose Send, confirm your settings, and you're done.